Hello students. In this video, let's dive into some basic yet crucial concepts about data. Understanding these will help you grasp how we organize and interpret information. Data refers to any information collected for a specific purpose. For instance, consider a table showing the scores of 5 students across 4 subjects, each out of 100. Each individual piece of information in this table is called an observation. When this data is unprocessed, we refer to it as raw data. Once arranged in a sequence, like ascending or descending order, it forms an array. The difference between the highest and lowest values in a dataset is known as the range, and the number of times a particular observation appears is called frequency. Moving on, statistics is the field that deals with the collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. A handy way to represent frequency is by using tally marks, where each set of 5 tally marks helps us count occurrences easily. For example, imagine we have the marks of 35 students. How would you determine which mark appears most frequently? By using tally marks, of course. Which of these marks, 25, 35, or 45, appears the most? Next, let's explore pictographs, a simple way to represent data using images. This method allows you to convey information at a glance. It's especially useful because it's easy to understand, even without much explanation. To create one, gather data, choose an image, create a key, and draw the pictograph. For example, in a pictograph showing animals and birds in a zoo, how many animals and birds would you expect in total if the data says 2,700 animals and 1,500 birds? Another great visual tool is the bar graph. It represents data using bars, making it easy to compare different categories. To create a bar graph, draw horizontal and vertical lines and use bars to represent the data with uniform width and spacing. Let's say we have attendance data for 6 days. If no student is repeatedly absent and the total class strength is 50, how many students were absent in total across the week? Finally, we have the pie chart, also called a circle chart. This chart breaks data into slices, with the sum of all slices equaling 360 degrees. To create a pie chart, you first calculate the percentage and degree of each data category. Then, using a protractor, you draw the slices of the pie. For instance, if a fuel-gas mixture is made up of different gases and you know that hydrogen accounts for 17% and oxygen for 42%, can you calculate how much of these gases are present in a 1550-liter tank? So, here's a quick question. What's your favorite way to represent data visually? Tally marks, pictographs, bar graphs, or pie charts? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.